Hello, beautiful, gorgeous, delectable fashionistas. Welcome to Fashion World. How is your week going? Hope you're having the best of time and happy Easter and Eid in advance to our Muslim and Christian fashionistas on this platform. Today's video, as those sets are rolling by, they are lovely, beautiful, cosmopolitan styles for every woman, regardless of your age, your body type, or preference of styles. We've got everyone covered in this very video. These styles are stunning, elegant, beautiful, captivating, lovely styles. They are styles for different purposes, and that is why they come in no particular order, and we understand that preference choices differs between individuals. So that is why we make this very video full of diverse styles for you to make that choice of yours from. And from the beginning of this video till the end, we've packed lovely, beautiful, gorgeous styles in it for your delight. Just as usual, sit back, relax, and get that maximum styles inspiration from these plethora of styles we've brought to you today, from the beginning to the end, and most definitely you will be glad you did. All props and credits in this video goes to those iconic, highly creative and resourceful fashion designers who are bringing to bear their own resourcefulness, their ingenuity, their skills to in the styles you are seeing on your screen, and availing us the opportunity of showcasing them to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy this lovely video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting, and if you find yourself here for the first time on Fashion World, you are most definitely welcome to that broad spectrum in the cyberspace where the best of African fashion are showcased. Hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video like this on this platform. And please share this video as well as every other videos on our platform for us to even spread the trend of African diseases and styles across the world. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a lovely, rewarding working week ahead, and I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
I don't wanna tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Ooh. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Make me uncomfortable. Wow. The only thing I need to tonight. You're gonna give it to me right. Give me everything that you got to give. Baby, show me the light. Wanna go downstairs, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Now I wanna go downstairs, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Wanna get low, wanna get drunk. We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go. All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. You seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again. You gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over, it's about time. Oh, sing your high line on the roller coaster of life. You've got.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.